Welcome back, viewers. Today I was having a chat with one of my subscribers and suddenly he was talking about a car wash, and as most of the shops were closed and no car washing was available, I asked him why not lend your car to me and I will do a car wash video, and he agreed as soon as possible. So it was already getting late and it was 4 o'clock, so by within a 1 hour it will get dark. The car was awfully dirty, so the only plan was to wash the car. So what I did, with dusting was not at all possible in this type of situation as the dust has stick to the car body firmly. So what I did, with the help of a pressure washer, I tried to remove the loose dust as much as possible. As I was alone for most of this job, so I had to do it myself, and yes, Partho also lended his hands sometimes to adjust the camera wherever it was possible. It's a new car and it's not a coated car. So first job was to wash the car with proper pressure washer, and finally I removed as much dust as possible. Now the next job will be to prepare the shampoo. I used a pH neutral car shampoo which works very well in this type of situation. I prepared a very thick layer so that the dirt agitates well. ऐसा सिचुएशन में आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा थिक फोम यूज़ करें तो उसमें क्या होगा, आपका जो थिक डस्टी लेयर कार का बॉडी में रहेगा वो एकदम गीला हो जाएगा और इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू रिमूव देम विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ माइक्रोफाइबर क्लॉथ. As you know, since Punch is a little bit taller car, so spreading was little bit difficult for me, but still I tried my best, so I covered the entire area. Now you can see the foam is working with the dirt, and so the dirt has already mixed with the foam. So like this I will keep it for around 5 minutes. As you can see, the foam already has started to work with the dirt very well. So this is another process. If you have time, you can follow this process so that the dirt gets dissolved with this foam. Now my next job will be to scrub gently with the help of a microfiber cloth or a wash mitt to the entire body. Remember, while you are doing this, you will do from top to bottom, and for the bottom part you should use a different microfiber cloth, otherwise the lower dirt will get to the upper part of the car. Now once the scrubbing is over, I will wash the entire car with the pressurized water so that no traces of foam is left behind. This is very important, otherwise there will be soap spots on the car body. So I am washing the entire car to remove all the traces of foam and soap from the car body. After washing, I have sprayed the entire car with a waterless car wash to act as a rinsing aid, as it will be easier for me to wipe off the water from the car body. This type of process helps not only to wipe off the water faster, but also it will add a mild shine to the car body. So I will always recommend, while you are rinsing your car, you should use a rinsing aid such as a quick detailer or any waterless car wash. Here I am using Webex Hybrid X as a rinsing aid. So we are wiping the entire car and it won't take much time. Finally adding some trim polish to black areas. As you know, Punch has too much of black cladding and after wash they look pale and fade. So it will be a standard practice to add trim polish to all the black areas. Partho extended his hand to do this job faster as it was already getting late and it's puja time. As the body is getting dried, you can see a mild shine is getting back and it's already looking quite glossy, and this type of process help you when you are in a hurry and need a wash and give a car a mild shine. You can follow this process at home and this is very easy, so you can practice this and it won't lead to any swirl marks or scratches. Since the job is over and our last part come to the cleaning of glasses, so what we did, with the help of a moist cloth, we first wiped all the glasses, then with a dry cloth we wiped all the glasses clean and dry, so that was giving a spotless shine also. And since we took this video under low light conditions, so the video may not be that much clear, but I tried my best to take these particular shots, and this is my first video under a low light conditions. And you can see we have also applied tire polishes so that the tire looks black and new, and also you can see all the black areas had been covered with trim polish, so it's looking wet black and the entire car looks glossy and shiny, and it looks, at least the car has been detailed, it doesn't simply look like a car wash. So I asked my tall man to see whether everything is in perfect order or not, and since the glasses, it was easier for him to take care. So that's the video for you today, and if you have liked the video, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments, please do comment.